to the Muthwani Financial Empowerment Program. My name is Anthony David Mbaka. I am running for Member of County Assembly, Machakos County, Mavoko Constituency, Muthwani Ward. Here, today we want to talk about, how do we make our families prosper, and what kind of policies and and skills that we bring on board to ensure wewe mwananchi wetu umesikia mambo yetu na umeona hizi siasa na policy tunaleta zitakusaidia wewe. Now, Muthwani Financial Empowerment Program is all about empowering people, unlocking opportunities and creating prosperity. So for us, the thing tunang'eng'ana nayo sana is to ensure that, number one, we empower our people, we empower our communities. Two, we unlock opportunities that are within our ward using the resources we already have in our vicinity. Now, number three, it's creating prosperity. How do we use the already established resources to ensure that wewe mwenye unatafuta kazi, ule kijana ako pale anaomba kazi, ule kijana anajiuliza, mimi sioni mahali nitasaidia kazi, sina connections, nimeangalia watu wangu, nimeangalia familia yangu, sioni vile kesho nitapata usaidizi. Now, how do we use the available resources to ensure that you prosper and you do your things nicely? Now, we have key priorities that we'll consider, of course, under the Muthwani Financial Empowerment Program, which we call MFEP. So the first one we're talking about is youth skills and vocational training for real jobs. Now, we've been blessed that the system now recognizes TVETs, and through TVETs and other institutions that are skill-based, we will do an entrepreneurship, not necessarily youth. This includes even to you, uko mzee, you are beyond your youth, ulikuwa umeandikwa kazi, umevutwa na hauna skill, but you want to restart your life, you want to restart over. How do you start plugging in? We will get a youth empowerment skill program yetu ya mtaani hapa ya ward level, where we empower actually things that are directly linked with our resources. Now, Muthwani, sisi wengi tuko na resource yenye tuko nayo, the biggest ni tuko na what we call Muthwani quarries. Muthwani quarries, these are where we through the quarries we manufacture stones, we manufacture lami, we manufacture ballast, we manufacture mchanga and all construction materials. So our skill-based system will be directly linked with the construction industry. Here we'll talk about marketing, we'll talk about innovations in engineering and all of these things. So as we dealt yesterday with smart infrastructure, we will also today deal with the same design and ensure that wewe mwananchi wetu umesaidika na umepata skill yenye ukitoka kwa skill unaingizwa kwa kazi. Si ile ya kuambiwa sasa we've empowered you, you've not been equipped and you've not been employed. Secondly, we support small businesses and entrepreneurs to grow. Now, me, as the founder of David's Travel House, I have faced so many problems that wewe mwana biashara unapitia saa hii. So I have the technical skills of how to employ and make sure that through your business, I'm able to know that what the things that you require. Why? Because I've run a business. I know the challenges of a business, and I know the things that you require for your business to prosper. Number one, you need a market. Number two, you need access to capital. And these are the things that mimi nitang'eng'ana nikiwa kiongozi wako to ensure that not necessarily find you lobby. We're talking about entities. I will lobby institutions. I will lobby, NGOs to ensure that we are able to access this cash, we are able to access markets, and watu wetu wakware na hakikisha mumepata soko. Now, the third one is women and youth enterprise empowerment. This we are looking at because kazi yetu nimwambie again, kazi yetu ni construction materials. We are looking how we will expand the construction industry and ensure that we sell what we have. We will not sell what we do not have. We'll sell what we have and ensure that wewe mwananchi you're sorted. The next one is organized markets and trading spaces for efficiency. Muthwani hatuna soko. Ile soko tuko nayo tunaringa nayo iko pale Joska. Soko nyingine tunaringa nayo si yetu ya Ruai. Kamulu bado hatuna soko. So how do we ensure that we have markets? As I said, we need to have roads that connect, open up our spaces so that we can create markets. We appreciate that people are trying to recover public lands. We will use these spaces to ensure that we have modern markets that are able to talk about our issues and ensure that we deliver. Now, the last one, of course, is building partnerships to increase employment. We are the most industrialized constituency in the entire country. Mavoko constituency has the largest industries within ourselves. The only thing me as your MCA, what I will do is ensure that I build partnerships with these people. Nawapelekea value propositions to the business owners, to the valuers. Niwaongeleshe that if you give me a time to get you the employment through what we said, when you get to rail, we will innovate a database ya kwa watu ya kuandikwa kazi, so that we ensure you and your people that are looking for jobs, you can come to the Muthwani database, unaandika you're jobless, but these are your skills, these are what you've studied, and me, I'll be able to build partnerships because utakuwa na bendera yenye mmenipatia, na hiyo ndio kazi naomba mnipatie, so that I'm able to do this. Now, what is the short form of what we are going to do? Basically, we will start with training for those that do not have, and those that already have, we will equip you. So those that do not need training, you're already trained, you already have your profession, but you're at home, unang'ang'ana unajiuliza, how can I turn my skill, how can I turn my brains, how can I turn it into money? We will ensure then, after we've equipped you, we will empower you. Now, that is where I am as your leader. I'll ensure that I empower you through my partnerships. Kutumia ofisi, mnakuja ofisi, tunaiunda, tunatengeneza, tunafanya mambo vile inafaa. Then from there, of course, we will also work hard tirelessly on creating employments, kutafutia watu makazi, kuconnect watu na these industries that we have within our ward, to ensure within our constituency as well, and the larger part of our county, to ensure we deliver prosperous families. Now, the biggest thing about us, and the biggest thing why we are the people that you need to consider for this job, is we understand what you need. I am one of you. I've been a business leader. I've been everything I have seen. I've been an employee. I've worked in big corporations. I understand what needs to be done to deliver employment. You as a business owner, mimi nakujua because I'm a business owner. Wewe kama employer, I've been an employee. I understand what you look for. Na wewe kitu nataka ni kazi, si maneno. And that is why I am here asking for your vote. Asanteni sana.